A very warm to everyone. This is your Valli addressing from SLVM School Jagapatnagaram dealing with the subject English. I hope everyone are fine and doing good. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about our term 1 third lesson. Some apples please. Some apples please. Some apples please. Someone requesting. And who is requesting whom? Yes, let us go into the lesson. Look at the video clearly, children. There is an old saying. There is an old saying. What was that saying? When there is a will, there is a way. When there is a will in the sense when we have money. Will in the sense when we have hope or money or wish, there is a way. Everything is possible with fire and lamp. When we want it with a full pleasure and we want it with our full heart, when we want it from bottom of our heart, obviously we may get it. That's the old saying. If you really want something and work hard for it, if you really want something, for example, if you want to buy a mobile phone, for buying mobile phone, if you work for 1 month or 2 months on a place or a business, on a shop, you may work hard and you may achieve the mobile. Work hard and get more. You will get it. Obviously, you will work hard, you obviously get it. And read this retelling of an English folk tale to see how a woman gets what she wants by being kind and helpful. In this lesson, there is a woman. There is a woman. He wants something. What type of woman she was? She was being kind and helpful. So that she is a very good woman. So that she fulfilled her wish. She gets what she wanted. And what did she want? And what did he get? Yes, listen in the video. Now I am going with section 1. This happened a very long time ago in England. The story has been taken place in England. There was a little old woman. The story has been taken long time ago in England. After so many years ago, the story has been taken place in England. And there was a little old woman who lived in a little cottage in a village. And the woman is living in a little cottage. One day, she wanted to eat an apple pie. What is apple pie? That means, the pastry and the cakes, right? Just type of, she want to eat an apple pie. The food or pastry or the cake item which was made of apple, she want to eat that apple pie. Okay. The more she thought about it, the more she wanted to eat an apple pie made of juicy red apples. Okay. She thought more. She wanted to fulfill her wish by eating the apple pie. And those apple pie is made of juicy red apples. But she had no apples. She had a pear tree full of ripe yellow pears and a plum tree full of juicy red plums. She had no apples and she had a pear tree full of yellow color pear fruits and plum tree full of plums. Those are favorite fruits which are not available in our Indian culture. We may get those on England mostly. Okay. So she had plum fruits and pears, but she didn't have apples on the time. But how can one make an apple pie with pears or plums? Is it possible to make an apple pie with pears or plums? No, it doesn't possible. So she want apples. And the old woman longed for an apple pie. So the old woman want to eat apple pie. I know what to do. I will take some of my plums to the market and get apples in exchange for them, she said to herself. Then she get a thought that she taken some plum trees, plum fruits and pears in a market with a full of carrying a basket. She carrying a basket full of plums and pears to the market, and her wish is to she will give these pears and plums in exchange of apples. Exchange means she want to give the pears and plums who gave apples to her. That's what her wish. Is it possible she can exchange? At last she ate apple pie. Yes, look at the video. So she set off with the plums in a basket on her arm. She carries a basket full of plums and pears fruits to the market. As she walking along the road, she is walking on a road. She heard a lot of cackling and squawking. She peeped over the hedge and saw a young woman trying to herd a flock of hens, ducks, and geese. The young woman looked up. While on the traveling, the old woman listened the sound of cackling, quacking. That was the sound made by ducks and hens and geese. Look at the picture. The ducks and the hens and geese are making the sounds cackling, quacking, quack, quack. Do you identify the sound? Quack, quack. That's the sound. And the young woman, there is an young woman, looked up. Hello, she said. Oh, not these birds noisy? Then the old woman asked the young woman, hello, or not these birds noisy? The birds are making noise, right? Then the young woman replied. Then the young woman and the old woman started talking like old friends. Of course, they are very new to each other, but they are talking like friends. The old woman showed the young woman the plums and said how much she wanted to eat an apple pie. The old woman showed the plums and pears to the young woman and said she wanted to eat an apple pie. Oh, said the young woman, my husband wants to have plum jam. Oh, really? But my husband wants to have plum jam, and I have no plums at all on the farm. Then the young woman saying that you want to eat apple pie, but my husband wants to eat plum jam. We don't have plums with us. I would love some, but I have no apples to give to you. I can only give you a bag of feathers in exchange for them. Okay. Look at the video clearly. Young woman saying, I want some plums. Please give some plums to me, but I don't have apples to give to you. But in exchange of apples, I will give you the bag of feathers. What is feathers? The hair of ducks, geese, and hens are feathers. So, well, said the old woman looking at the juicy red plums, I suppose that at least one of us will have a wish. Okay, give me the feathers. I will give you some plums. Of course, my wish doesn't happen, but your wish have to make some plum jam. Okay, I will do it for you, but I don't have apple pie. Of course, no problem. Of course, one of our wish are going on, so it's okay, no problem. Give me some feathers. I will give you some plums. Just like that, they exchanged the feathers and some plums. Then, so she gave the plums to the young woman. Old woman gave plums to the young woman and took the bag of feathers and put it into her basket. given some plums to the young woman. Some are left in the basket. Only some are given. For that some, she took the bag of feathers and she put the feathers on her basket. At least the feathers were lighter to carry. The old woman thought that, okay, feathers are light to carry, plums are heavyweight. Okay, my wishes doesn't fulfill, of course, but I get some lighter weight. Just like that, the older woman thought. She set off once more for the market, hoping that she would get some apples for the feathers. She thought that, okay, I have feathers with me. I will go to the market. I will give feathers to someone and get apples in exchange. Just like that, again the old woman is thinking. Next, the road was long and she walked until she came to another farm. She is walking on the road. Okay, she went to another farm. She went to another farm. The most delicious smells came floating out of the kitchen window of the farmhouse. There is a farmhouse. Look at the picture clearly. There is a farmhouse. On that farmhouse, there is a beautiful, very sweet and pleasant smell. The old woman stopped at the gate to smell the fresh bread and cakes. On that farmhouse, someone are making some fresh breads and cakes. As she stood there, she stand there, the old woman stayed there. She heard a man and a woman quarreling loudly. On the farmhouse, there is a man and woman who are quarreling, fighting, arguing angrily with each other loudly. That quarreling was listened by old woman. It is the best to stuff a pillow with straw, said the woman in an angry voice. A man and woman are quarreling each other. On that, the woman is saying, what was the discussion about? The discussion about pillow. Pillow. The woman is saying that I want to make pillow with straw, dried stalks of grain crops like wheat, a grass or a grain. They want to make pillow with that grains. The woman is saying in angry voice, I don't think so. Cotton is best. Cotton is the best thing to make pillow. Is not it much softer? Said the man in an angry voice. Okay. The woman wants to make pillow with straw, but the man wants to make pillow with cotton. Then suddenly, this old man entered there. Hello, said the old man. The old woman is talking with them. The old woman is talking with those men. The woman in the young turned to look at her. Suddenly the man and woman turned to old woman. Oh, would you please help us settle this? It is better to stuff pillow with straw or cotton. We can't agree, said the woman. Okay, for right time you entered. Please help us. We are quarreling each other. We want to make a pillow with straw or cotton. Which one is better? They asked the old woman. Then old woman replied, oh, neither, said the old man. Both are not good. I would stuff it with feathers. Feathers make the best pillow. No, straw and cotton are not good. Feathers are very, very good and soft here to make best pillow. Oh, but we don't have feathers, said the couple sadly. Then the couple said, we don't have feathers. How can we make pillow with feathers? Then, what did the old woman do? Do you have any idea? Yes, look at the video. That is hardly a problem, answered the old woman quickly, and she gave the bag of feathers to them. Oh, don't think so. It's not a hard problem. I have feathers. I will give to you guys. Then couple said, oh, thank you. I would love to have some apples in the return, said the old woman. Then the old woman said, take these feathers, but shall I have apples? Then, we have no apples, but there is some freshly baked bread, said the man, and gave her 2 large loaves fresh from the oven. Sorry, we don't have apples, but we have fresh bread. Just like that, they said, and get some 2 loaves of fresh bread and given to the old woman. Well, at least I can have bread and soup for dinner. Okay, no problem. At least I have bread and soup for dinner. The old woman thought like that. Even if I didn't get any apples, I did stop the quarrel. Of course, I didn't get apples, but I stopped quarrel. In previously, she given some plums to a young woman. Here she stopped. Here he stopped quarreling the man and woman and given feathers to them. Two good things are happen, right? Of course, her wish isn't fulfilled, but someone's wish fulfilled there. Okay, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please contact me through WhatsApp. We will discuss the next part in the next video. Thank you, everyone.